So I'm going to make a black bean and sweet potatoes. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season my sweet potatoes, and they're going to go in the oven at 350, and then they're going to come out like this. So I'm going to quickly season them. What you season with smoked paprika. I haven't got smoked paprika, but I do have regular, so I'm just going to do a regular. I'm just eyeing it because I've done it before. And then I'm going to put some garlic powder on here and a little bit of olive oil, and then it's going to go on a baking sheet. I'm going to put in the oven for 350. Salt, pinch of salt and pepper. Pinch of salt. All right. So they're all nice and covered with a nice spray of olive oil. And we're just going to put them in the oven, and they go in there for about 15-20 minutes. You can put them in the air fryer if you want to. I'm just going to lay them out in here, put them in the oven, and until they're soft to touch and a little bit like caramelized, not overcooked, but just like that.
And they smell delicious.
And they do. They really do smell very good. But then, magic of TV.
Yeah, oh my God.
They're already cooked.
Beautiful.
What we're going to do, we're going to add some black beans and some little bits as I go along. I'll let you know what I'm putting in there. But before I do, it was a good thing I forgot to open up some black beans. But I'm going to talk a little bit about the black beans. You should always wash your black beans and get rid of all the salt off of them. Okay, so I'm going to quickly rinse these, and then I will do the filling. Just give them a quick rinse off all the old sodium and like that. And you know what? If people buy low sodium, it's actually more expensive. All you have to do is wash your beans.
Yeah, that's interesting.
All we have to do is rinse. Okay, so we're going to put some directly in here. All right, so we have some black beans. We're going to put some corn in there. We're going to put some cilantro.
So colorful.
It is. The colors are beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And then we're going to mix it up. Now, I brought the small whole wheat burritos.
Oh, tortillas. Yeah.
And they were a little hard for me to kind of like bend and wrap. So I kind of redid one.
Well, the one you got over there, I can see it looks beautiful.
Nice and tight. Either it works or it doesn't. It takes a couple of steps. So I was like, you know what? When you
gorgeous.
Make sure you buy a nice size whole wheat tortilla again. And then you're going to put your filling in here, okay? So I'm going to put that, and then we cook it in here, and we get that nice crusty, like little...
Oh, yeah, on the outside. Yeah, you get a little toasted.
Yeah, I love the toasty. I think that makes
really
the whole tortilla. You get that nice, like, crunch. I'm going to tell one. Oh, let me put a bit of lime juice in here, just to finish it off. But the colours are very pretty. So we're going to try and wrap this as best as we can. So we're going to fold it over. We're going to bring the two sides together. Right,
perfect.
And then we're gonna, and you kind of got it. Not bad.
Good. That was
not too bad.
Beautiful.
That's the best we're gonna get. So also I made a salad, a little Mexican salad. I got a really good recipe salad dressing to go with it, and really it's basically everything that's here, and all the leftover beans and some tomatoes. I don't have to put all of them in. You can actually drain your tomatoes and get the juice out so it doesn't wet the lettuce too much, but I'm actually not even using lettuce. I'm just using all the colours that we have.
I like that.
Yeah.
Fun to change it up without the lettuce
base
sometimes.
Right,
yeah.
And we're going to have some red onion, some radish. We haven't used radish, so that's...
Yeah, no, that's a good one.
That's a nice colour. Cilantro, one of my favorites. You can use parsley too. I love cilantro though.
Yeah, cilantro is delicious.
Yeah, and then finally we have the avocado.
Beautiful.
We're gonna do that.
That looks so good, Sam.
It's so pretty. The colors are amazing. I think when you have a good salad that's all chopped very small, it makes you want to eat it.
It does. It totally does. That looks so summery to me.
So then here goes the salad dressing. Here's my ingredients. I'm going to do half a cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of lime, a teaspoon of olive oil. This is already in here. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of chili powder.
I love your cilantro stored that way. I know we talked about that a couple of
weeks ago. Look. This was from last week. Can you freaking believe it?
Wow, that's amazing.
This is last week. I just put the cover over it. My sister-in-law told me that. And I always threw out cilantro because it goes very limp. But I'll do it that way. Girls,
that's perfect.
Look how beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's the thing that has stopped me from buying fresh herbs in large quantities is exactly that thing of like, you're going to end up throwing half of it away. That's the answer.
So I'm going to put some chili powder in there, some salt, some limes, and I'm going to blend it. You can always add a little bit of water to it. And obviously, if you feel like it's not salty enough, you can put a little bit more chili in it. You can absolutely do that.
Just to taste.
Yeah. And just to your own liking, not too much salt. So here, I'm going to put a bunch of cilantro in here. And it really is, oh, the smell is so good.
Oh,
and it's like a creamy dressing, it's healthy. Let's have a look at it. Oh, delicious.
Oh, it's so good. What a good color. It's delicious. Yeah.
Oh, it smells so good. So good.
Wonderful.
All right. Now, I am doing one little extra thing today just because I thought this was such a great idea. I watched this lady online and she comes up with some really great recipes. I admire very much, baked by Melissa. And she showed me how to do this, a chia pudding. It's very high in fiber, really good in the morning. You can make it a couple of hours prior and then just put it in the fridge, or when you're ready, you can make it overnight, however you want to do it. She went in, so we could just make this into a liquidizer. See how it's blended up beautiful.
Yeah, it's almost like jam.
Exactly. But you know what? Like when you have these things in the shop, they put like
so much sugar.
Yeah. And you can even do it if you're going to lose your strawberries or something like that. It's just really a good idea to put it in. Before we go any further, I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of honey. Then we're going to put the yogurt in. And stir it up. Ooh.
Chia seeds are so cool.
They are, and they're really good for you as well. But
Yeah.
you know, you have to let them
absorb.
Exactly. And they blow up, and this actually, it makes it almost like a mousse.
Yeah, it gets, I don't even know how to describe it.
Like, I'm going to show you. It's just a teaspoon, so I'm just going to pop it in. I'm eyeing a teaspoon. That's about a teaspoon. If you want it a little bit thicker, you can use 2 teaspoons.
And it's like a gel almost that it makes it.
Yes.
It's really interesting.
And I'll show you the after now. And I have a little bit of jam sauce over here. So this is the after.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So
Oh, shut up. That looks so fancy. Oh, you did a heart too. Look at that. That's good.
Let's see if I can show you the consistency of it before we go.
Yeah, chia pudding is
See
really good.
how consistent.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks great.
It's really good.
I have a bag of chia seeds that I keep in my freezer just because I know that I'll use them slowly, but I put them in smoothies and stuff. But yeah, that's such a good idea.
Yeah, no, that was good. That actually tastes really nice and it's a good breath. So this is my after. Sure. Here's my burritos with my avocado. I did some grilled corn. Water of the week is cucumber and lime. Nice. Sparkling water with a kiwi.
That's so nice. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. You have the cucumber garnish there.
Yeah, there you go.
That is beautiful. Sam, what a note to end on. That is so really beautiful and so wonderfully summery.